If you use Slack, I highly recommend you to set up our Slack integration. We use Slack ourselves at Perdoo and it's a pretty good integration that we have. To set up this integration, go to Configure and then head over to Integrations and then select Slack right here. I already have this integration set up, so I'll walk you through how it works. First of all, you can choose what sort of notifications you want to send to Slack. So you can send check-in reminders via Slack to everyone. You can share the periodic progress reports. I can show you in a second what they look like. But you can also share these on Slack automatically. You can get notifications on Slack when someone is being mentioned, when kudos are being given, goals are being created or updated, etc. The great thing about our Slack integration is that you can also integrate teams in Perdoo with specific Slack channels. So first of all, you can set up a default Slack channel. This default Slack channel will then receive the updates from teams that don't have a dedicated channel set up. You can set up a dedicated channel for kudos. Kudos in Perdoo is our way to facilitate peer recognition. We also have a Slack channel for kudos, so we integrate the two, which means that if someone sends a kudo via Slack, it's automatically shared via that channel as well. We have a Slack channel for our company account, and in our case, we select the general channel, and then each team in Perdoo is integrated with their own team that they have on Slack. Now, if we open our Slack account, then you see that we also have a channel set up here for our check-ins. So when people check in via Perdoo, the reflections that people add are being shared directly here on that check-ins channel that we have set up for it. To set this up on Perdoo, each user can go to their own personal settings, and then here under integrations, they will then have the option to manually choose the channel that they want to send these reflections to. And you see that in our case, this is set to check-ins. Going back to our Slack account, here you see, for example, our kudos channel. So again, when someone sends a kudo via Perdoo, it's shared here via this channel as well. And here you see, for example, what such a progress report looks like on Slack. These progress reports you can also get via email, but you can also get them here on Perdoo. And then you can stay up to date on how well your KPIs are performing, how much they've progressed since the previous cycle, since the previous check-in, and the same for your OKRs, of course.